Hey there, all my viewers. Welcome back to the channel here once again. So I'm here to do another little test of some things here. I'll show you in just a second. And what the test is, of course. Hopefully you can see behind me the mountains and the sun's in front of me, so it's kind of blind to me, but you should be able to see me good. Anyway, today is Tuesday, the 24th of June. Yeah, 2020. It's about 8:45 or so in the morning right now as we speak. And so my test, let me show you what it is. There, you can see right there. I got the Autel Evo 1 and the Parrot Anafi, which is there on the right hand side. You should be able to see them, both their controllers. And what I have done is I have set up I did an offline little flight plan for both of these. So what the plan is take off from here, and you see I'm at this graveyard here, and it should fly down through there, fly up to the other end, fly all the way down to this side, and then back over here to where we're at. And the Anafi the Anafi actually is the good one, that you can set it to have a point of interest and all of that. The Evo, you can't. They're still so far behind on that, it's really disappointing. But I think there's a way that I can actually, turn it while I'm in the air to have it try to look at something, but that won't be near as smooth as the Anafi. So honestly, I fully expect the Anafi to win this test, hands down. But we'll see here in just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the Evo first, and then I'll do the Anafi. So I'll just play them back to back, one after the other. So just so you know. So you tell me once this thing is over, because obviously I don't know yet. I haven't shot this. So once this is over, tell me what you think about it down in the comments. So if you like this video, share it, thumbs up it, and leave me a good comment. All that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. And let me know what you think about this test, because I'm curious myself. I'll see you later.